Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my product review on this one. It's called Audio. And I don't know what it means already, but let's see the JB page and let's take a look at what it means. Keywords of a script. So I say create audiobooks and podcasts in less than 30 seconds from any website, blog, article, keywords, or script. Audio. Okay, I understand now what it means. It means like audio, but it say audio. So kind of crazy, don't you think? Before we get started with this review, you want a coaching program that can show you how you can get up to 10K per month. I'm gonna put a link in the description with a 100K Alliance video training that they will show you how you can get affiliate sales in Warrior Plus and other platforms like JVSO and ClickBank. This is just a process that you need to follow and continue with this, and they already have a setup page and everything is good with a high ticket commission with it, so you can start getting like $500 commissions on it. So you want to know more, just check online 100K Alliance review and you'll find more information about it. Also, I'm going to provide to you some amazing bonuses that they're going to be sitting on our Google document. And one of them is a training that can show you how you can add extra 1,000 to 3,000 per day. It's a training from Mosh Barry. So this one right here from the Ultimate Online Mastery. He will show you a lot. This is my website, and you can find the training here. Also, I have other training from the Lead Academy. I'm gonna have for you the Animal Kingdom, which means you will get 35 products, info products that can show you how you can start generating affiliate sales or learn a tactic or method for another vendor. And you will find out more information about because the Lead Academy is a good place to be. I'm actually a member of the academy and make good commissions with this program and other students as well. So I will have for you three amazing programs you can choose. They high ticket, but they will deliver for you. So also, I'm gonna have if you don't wanna know more about high ticket, I have some training. Like this one, set and forget passive income with YouTube using only AI. I have this AI training. Also, ListProdigy, how to build your list that generates thousands of dollars per day in your sleep. Right here, it's just a training. Fergal is explaining how you can create a list, where you can go, what kind of examples you can use. I think it's no, this is a 100K Alliance. It's somewhere here. This probably is this one right here. Well, I have to log in again, but that's fine. So, you want to know more about it? Just take a quick look on it and just enjoy that. Now, let's come back to where I was. The actual product, what it was. Well, you can see here some affiliate sales that I have. They have a big monster traffic product from Dawud Islam. Again, it's from the Lead Academy. Somebody's making good sales from it. What it was a pretty training. That's a bonus that I'm going to provide to you. And this is the audio. So let's take a look at the sales page and let's see what it says about it, okay. Okay, here you will find in 6 plus 100 voices and 80 plus languages, AI powered narration, customizable narration style, multilingual support, website and blog conversation in just 3 easy steps. Stop your Warrior Plus wallet full of affiliate commissions. Okay, podcast. How does audio works? Step 1, input your content. Choose AI employee you want from different niches. All AI employees come ready and equipped with various skills immediately. Okay. Step 2, engage the AI narrator. With a simple click, let's audio advanced AI power narrator take over. Intelligent algorithms analyze and provide content generate natural sounding audio. Step three, yep, that's it. Okay. Um, okay, this is if you in case you want to promote a product. Okay, the front end is 17 bucks, OTO number one 37, OTO number two 97, 367, and you can see the other one. So once you purchase the product, it's gonna come out a new funnel, a new page that is gonna offer you this funnel and this and the other one. You can say no, and that's it. You don't have to pay for it. This is some examples of people reciprocating when they provide sales. You know, you can see Fergal. He's a big guy. He has a lot of input on the 100K Alliance. Let me see. I know this guy Palagosa. He used to have trainees. I remember the pilot training he has in the past. So you can learn how to be one of these guys. That's what I'm into now because I want to enjoy this kind of JV prices. All right. Hope you enjoyed this video review and see you later around. All right.